Tripura Gramin Bank ni Golden Jubilee no Rwgwi Punjab National Bank ni Chubachu by Tripura Gramin Bank Puila Corporate Rupay Credit Card Inauguration Khlaijakha. Pandamanjaka Director Rakhi Bishas, Tripura Gramin Bank ni Chairman Sotendra Singh, General Manager Deepak Kumar, MDT CEO no Khoboi Ikubana Dongro.
Respected Madam Rakhi Bishwas Madam, IAS and Board of Director of Tripura Gramin Bank, Tawfiq Alamji, MD and CEO, PNB Card and Services Limited, Sri Deepak Kumar, General Manager Credit Card Division, Punjab National Bank Head Office, Diganto Kumar Das Ji, Honorable Board of Directors, Tripura Gramin Bank, Rituraj Krishna ji, Circle Head Punjab National Bank, Circle Office Agartala, and Rituraj Krishna ji is also SLBC convener from in Agartala. Welcome you all, sir.
Rwgwi Chini Khorang.